Advanced SystemCare Pro is a comprehensive system optimization tool designed to improve the performance and security of your PC. It offers a wide range of features that help users clean, optimize, and protect their systems with ease. The software's user-friendly interface and one-click optimization make it accessible to users of all skill levels. One of the standout features of Advanced SystemCare Pro is its powerful cleaning capabilities, which remove junk files, temporary files, and other unnecessary data that can slow down your system. The software also includes a registry cleaner that helps to fix registry errors and improve system stability. Additionally, Advanced SystemCare Pro offers a range of optimization tools such as Startup Manager, Disk Optimization, and System Tune-Up, which help to improve system performance and speed up your PC. The software also includes advanced security features such as real-time protection against malware, spyware, and other threats. Advanced SystemCare Pro's Internet Boost technology helps to improve your internet speed by optimizing network settings, providing a smoother and faster online experience. The software also includes privacy protection tools, such as a digital fingerprint masking feature and a privacy sweep tool, which help to protect your personal information and ensure your online privacy. Advanced SystemCare Pro's comprehensive toolset and ease of use make it a valuable tool for maintaining and optimizing your PC. Regular updates and a responsive customer support team further enhance the reliability and user experience of Advanced SystemCare Pro, making it an essential tool for keeping your system running smoothly and securely.